guys, welcome to another episode of Christmas Cooking. Today on the menu, I think everyone, when it comes to Christmas, there are potatoes on that menu. Potatoes, have the mashed potatoes, steamed potatoes, any type of potatoes that you want to have on the menu. But we are going to show you how to make roasted potatoes, and potatoes are a must-be on your Christmas menu. So let's get started right away with our Christmas roasted potatoes from Moss Kitchen. My potatoes, my daughter helped me peel these potatoes, but it's okay how she peeled them. So what I'm going to do is cut them. That's okay. And I have some water here. I like involving my children when I'm cooking, so it doesn't really matter if they affect instead of peeling, as long as you get them involved. It's a good thing for them to get involved. Okay, so these are my potatoes. Some water, so I'm going to put in salt and just boil them. After them, say steam for only 10 minutes. You don't want to exceed 10 minutes. Actually, as soon as the potatoes start boiling, then you remove and drain the water. So I'm putting salt to taste. So I'm going to boil them. As soon as they start boiling, I'm going to remove them from the salt shall be back. Thank you for ready. Remember I told you that we're going to cook them for 10 minutes. 10 minutes a lot, so you have to cook 6 to 8 minutes because I feel they are overcooked. So these are our potatoes. Now I'm going to put the rest of the spices. Let me just walk towards the water so that I'm able to put the rest of the spices. Now that my potatoes have cooled, so I'm going to add some oil. I'm using sunseed oil, or you can use extra virgin olive oil, whichever oil you want to use. 4 tablespoons. Then these are my spices and veggies that I'm going to put in. In this one that I'm holding, that's rosemary. I'm going to add rosemary. And then I have my paprika. That's my paprika. And it's being toasted. I want to get that nice kind of reddish color for my potatoes, so I toast my paprika. So coat all the potatoes with that paprika. If you notice that the paprika is not enough, you can go ahead and add more paprika. But right now, this is enough, and this is how I want my potatoes to look like. That's okay. So now we're going to the next step. This next step, I'm going to use foil and steam my onions and garlic. It's okay, you can go ahead and either use a whole onion or cloves without chopping them, but I prefer them. It's much easier used when they're chopped. Some people use them whole, then after you mash them, but I prefer to chop mine, season them with some salt, then just steam them. After tying them, I put them on top of my potatoes and put them in the oven. So I'll cover with foil and roast for 30 minutes, then remove the foil. So let me put them in the oven and then we'll be back after 30 minutes. So this is how my potatoes look like after 30 minutes, not yet golden brown, it's okay. So I'm just removing the foil and opening my onions and spread them on top of the potatoes, then put them back in the oven without foil to become a bit brown, and that will take 30 minutes. At this stage, if you want, you can go ahead and put butter or what, but I will do that at the end when my potatoes are golden brown. finally, my potatoes are ready, golden brown. So I'm going to transfer them from my baking tray into a serving dish. And then in front I have melted butter, I have paprika, and mixed with some potato seasoning. You can look for any potato seasoning. I have dill and parsley, the herbs chopped. As for those onions, don't throw them away. Add them to the potatoes. You can put them on top or in the bottom. They give a nice flavor. So I'm going to add my parsley, dill into the butter with some paprika, and then mix and sprinkle on top of the potatoes. I prefer putting my butter at the end so that when you taste that potato, it's mouth watering because of that butter. Some people put the butter on top of the potatoes and put back in the oven, but I feel it will be a little bit dry, so I prefer putting my butter at the end. So you try to mix gently and then just give a last sprinkle of your paprika and potato seasoning, just like I'm doing. So that's it from Mo's Kitchen. Those are my roasted potatoes that you could add onto your Christmas menu. That's it from Mo's Kitchen. Remember to like, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends and families. Remember, we upload every Wednesday, so don't forget to hit that notification bell not to miss our uploads every Wednesday. Bye bye once again from Mo's Kitchen.